Hey out there, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Well, as you can see by that box on the table, we're going to take a look at something by Steel Will. So stay tuned after we roll the intro, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the blade that came in that box. Alrighty guys, I want to thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, let's get a couple really quick housekeeping things out of the way. If you like what you're about to see, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up. It's going to show support for the channel. For you viewers who are under the age of 13, please stop watching this video right now. I am not in the mood to catch a COPPA violation because you're doing something you're not supposed to do. And third, I want to take a moment and talk to all you first-time viewers of the channel, and I want to say thank you so much for finding this video. It means the world to me that you found this one, and I really hope you're going to like what you're going to see. Now, for you first-time viewers, and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, take a look right down here. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Please go ahead and hover over that, click on it. It should bring you right to subscribe. Here's why you're going to want to do it. I kind of attribute this channel to like a burning clown car. You never know what you're going to see, but damn, it's going to be amusing. Alright guys, as you saw by that opening, we're going to take a look at the Steel Will Mini Modus Foxtrot 25-18. Sorry, that's all the little nomenclature on that guy. Now this was the November Budget Blade Box Blade by the PMP Prep Box. I know, lots of acronyms in there, it's okay. When I saw it, I went, wait a minute, I know I've seen this one before. You know, because I'll be honest, I really didn't even look at that when I got it. I just was so happy, opened it out of the box and went, what? I know I've got this. I thought it was bigger. But still, after doing the homework, now I got the mini. I've already brought the full-size Modus to the channel, and if you're curious about that one, take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single affordable everyday carry blade I've ever brought to the channel. It's sitting right in there. Alright, let's get to the fun part. Oh, wait. As usual in Steel Will stuff, there's your little, hey, great, we love you, you got this. Alright, congratulations on your purchase. Alright, it's got an overall length of 6.5 inches. The blade is 2.75. Enclosed, it's 3.875. Yeah, 875. Okay. It's got a small weight of 2.87 ounces. Plain edge. Flat grind. They call it a sheep's foot style. But to me, it almost looks drop point with a little recurve. But that's okay. We can have a disagreement. D2 steel. Where are we? There we go. With that black stonewash finish. And I really, truly like how that looks. I seriously do. Now, they say it's black FRN scales, which is fiberglass reinforced nylon. But from doing digging and researching, it is the exact same as the glass reinforced nylon. So, same difference, just, I don't know, different parts of glass, but there you go. I do love the red backspacer in there. I thought it made it just look really cool. I know, just me. It's got a stainless steel frame. The only way to get her open is the flipper. Got a liner lock. There's a little wonderful lanyard hole. Oh, if I didn't say it, you do have reversible pocket clips, so you can do it right hand, left hand carry, only in tip up position, and it is made in China. Alright, now with those things out the way, let's have a little fun. Heavy duty stock paper. Alright, let me get that out the way. Let's see if we can get a curly cue going. Alright. Nah. Maybe it's because the paper is getting too small. I don't know. Alright. Paracord. Pull test, no problem. Let's go with the slice test. No problem. And our friend who's getting down to the end of his life. Ratchet strap. No problem. Alright, now. Ooh, wait, let's see. Just because I like doing this on everyone that I do. There's a little fleck right there. But still not much. Okay. So, I checked on Amazon, steelwill.com, and Blade HQ. I could not find this model on Amazon. Steel Will had it as a value of $54.99, and Blade HQ had it as a value of $46.99, and both of them did not have a single review on it. Okay, now here's the fun part of this video for me. I seriously love this part. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. I want to know if you have one. I want to know if you like what you saw. I mean, have you used Steel Will before? Because I've got a couple of them, and they've been neat little workhorses for me. I also want to know, yes, they are back, guys. Boy, I should say boys and girls. Is it nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? You know, I really want to know your thoughts on this one. I do, because I'm pretty impressed that Jason was able to score it for the budget blade box. I think it was a hell of a steal at like 25 bucks and $5 for shipping. But, okay, let's get the wrap-up out the way. For you first-time viewers of the channel, like I said in the very beginning of the video, thanks so much for watching this one. You guys make this a world of fun for me, and I love doing what I'm doing. Now, for you first-time viewers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, notice second chance? That's right, because we believe in redemption here on the channel. Take a look right down there. You're going to see a big old channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It should bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and destroyed that, please beat up the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Well, I'll tell you why. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos, 2 are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Steel Will Mini Modus Foxtrot 25-18. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a beautiful day today.